Yeah, people, so today now, well, it's a weekend, so we're not really cook and race up today, so we get food already for me and Booby. And now, I'm gonna make buck up, you know. You get me, I say? Yeah, we'll call it. We'll call it again. Strong back. What the name of it? Strong back, Magnum, buck up, you know, most recent, so. Yeah, you have a peanut, raw peanut. Initially them are coming in a shell, like natural peanuts out of shell. And then them are the shell ones, so them shell again. And we have oats, like a condensed, like a little bit of condensed milk, you're not gonna use much of that. And you have a sapogen, you know, the main ingredient. Some people put like a stout, dragon, Guinness, but I don't do no alcohol, so yeah, no alcohol. And then just now you have your pumpkin seed. For all of the man them, these are the killer. Pumpkin seed, main ingredients. In a supermarket, them have them sell the green pumpkin seed, but me, this is originally my pumpkin, I make the seed them dry, natural. Because I like how the green pumpkin seed thing go. So, not even have a pumpkin seed, so. Yeah, this is a buck up, you know, so. You know, mix together and blend, I'm going to show you how I blend and so. So, yeah, let's stay tuned. Stay tuned for the tune. First. Pour in the sapogen. Everybody have them own way them go about doing it. Some people blend up the peanut first. So this is sapogen, as you can see. Yeah.
You start with your concoction?
I make it from milk base rather than alcohol base, and use 2 sapogen to make it, you know? So, yeah.
Hi people.
What?
Hi. You miss me? Watch there. You can't do nothing without rushing. Everything you have to rush.
Right.
Watch there. Be a messy my make people. Anyways, in the kitchen with Bay. In the kitchen with Bay. Bay's in the kitchen. What are you making, Bay?
I really cook, yeah? Let's make some blend. See you back, go on. Watch it, something like that.
Yeah. You can move this over. Yeah, this part. Good.
So, yeah,
alright, so he's adding the nuts.
Yeah, now.
Because he likes nuts.
Narrator.
Because he likes nuts.
All the oats, you know, for your back. This, you know, not really much of the condensed, you know. We don't ever really put a Guinness in there. Or a jug on. Let's run from the alcohol. I make them jump me off people, then give me wine and jump.
How about that?
Pumpkin seed, this is a killer. They don't want to buy in a supermarket, they don't want me to drive from all that. Alright people, then we blend. Depends on what I want it, like me, I don't really like when the peanuts blend up too much. I like kind of chew the peanuts, so I add more peanuts on it's fair. And it's not going to be thick right away as in soak it, I will get thick, I will water it for initially. I don't want to blend it out too much. Yes, that is it. See, nuts there.
Okay, stop.
So see the real when it's second one, the nuts they thick up. You make it second. That's how I beat from now, put in the fridge. I do it on my jug. Well, I'm saying that. So, you have your jug now, then you can refrigerate it. Look at it, guys.
Here you are, look at it. Look at that.
Yeah. I'm going to have a glass.
Seriously?
Wish you could have drink some literally. See that? See peanut on top now?
Hello, wait, let me see the glass. Okay. What's wrong with you? No, thank you.
Good for your back though.
My back alright. My back is alright.
Right.
Anyways, guys.
That was it. Walk up here.
And then if you're like me and you're an alcoholic, you add a dragon or a Guinness.
Yes, you said that on this.
Yeah, girl. I don't know how people making this kind of choice if they don't have alcohol. Oh, I don't drink. Oh. Good job, baby. Good job. So proud of you. I'm so proud of you, Sugarplum. Anyways, guys, we've just been home. Well, no, we didn't. We're home today. We went to the mall. I got the wrong food. What else? That's about it. That's about it. I hope all goes well for tomorrow. If all goes well for tomorrow, tomorrow should be festive. Tomorrow is emancipation. Hopefully. So excited if all goes well. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go live today, so I'll probably go live in a little bit. And yeah, I really do hope all goes well for tomorrow. So I want a little break from the house. People, every day water gone. I don't have a problem with water being gone, you know, because as you know, me's a country girl, so I don't mind tidy and them something there, but like the way time at, it's like the back of them done, you understand, and you can't turn on the pipe for the nothing, so it's getting miserable. But today we get rain, and we get rain and more rain, because apparently there was supposed to be some tropical storm that was supposed to be coming towards the Caribbean or something. Apparently it wasn't going to touch Jamaica, but they said you know, you never know. So I thought that this was the beginning of it, but you know, who knows, because it's still very bleaky and raining outside. You guys can't probably see it, but it is, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. So yeah, we went to the mall, came home, ate. That's about it. I have some clothes. Babe washed this morning again. I have some clothes to fold. Him wash me fold and put away. And then, as I said, I think I'm gonna go live. It's Friday, so I think I'm gonna go live, and then I don't know. Babe said he just wants to chill, which I mean, that's all we've been pretty much doing. Honestly, there isn't really anything to do. As much as the place starts to keep me still not really want to go out there and like mix and mingle or do anything like that, because again, you just don't know who has what and who don't have what, you understand? So prevention better than cure. I'm just trying to practice being safe as much as I possibly can. But that's enough rambling for now. If there's anything interesting that requires me to turn back on the camera, I will. If not, I will just see you guys tomorrow when we head out for our adventure. Fingers crossed all goes well. Yeah.
Yeah, no people, so this morning we just woke, so, and fresh and ready, so we are make burger, jerk chicken burger for Booby, you know. Yeah, she make her tea already, make Booby tea already, and so I drink and thing. So my tea is still mixed to an extent. So yeah, we have veg, tomato, lettuce. Lettuce gets so expensive. We have chicken, hamburger roll. People tend for both national hamburger bread, but I think they are the best. Softest, and then we have cheese and You know? So, yeah. When I'm done, I said, I'm going to say, look, when it's done, but yeah. This is how I go for breakfast. Jerk chicken burger. Yeah, nah. These. I'm going to do this right here, put on the buns, jerk sauce and tomato, ketchup, throw them down on the buns, so this is it.
Anyways, guys, my camera is not working properly. I can barely see myself.
There's something unique with the opening the door. Don't touch the right hand side.
Only the left?
This and this one and this one only.
The top one?
I'm just walking in.
Okay.
Because if you're coming in late, then you're going to. Everybody go.
Well, we can't really come in late. Everywhere is on curfew.
If you look at that, you do this.
The bottom one? The bottom left?
The top one.
Okay.
So you go that like that and it start to open. Right?
Okay.
You have to be patient. Because it will go and then it stop. Now when you wherever you come in, it's just this one alone, this top one.
Okay.
So some people just get it mixed up. And it's gonna come back in.
Okay,
that.
so just top left. Perfect.
No, it's only one.
Oh, the one that we have. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
Alright.
All right. Any rules for the pool?
And what?
Any rules and regulations for the pool?
No.
Is there an opening time and closing time?
Mostly adults and they have regulation.
Oh, perfect. All right. There was a code that she gave me. Do I need the code for anything?
What?
There was a code that she had given me.
Oh yeah.
What is it for?
Hold on, I know. I just think about it. What it is again.
But where? What do I need? She sent me the text. Which door or where do I need the code for?
Oh, when you go in, there's a little thing at the wall. You just put it in, and then watch it count down that everything is okay, and then it goes red.
Okay.
You know, the red will stay if anybody interferes. Send out the alarm.
Okay.
But if you forget when you're going out to do it again to get it off.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, perfect. Thank you. All right, guys. So we made it to Montego Bay. I'm gonna light this, you guys. I can barely see what's going on, so bear with me.
That's a check it with what they said to you.
I could have swear she gave me a 5-3. Hold on one second. Let me get my phone.
What you do? You close it up and check that.
Okay. Okay. All right. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah. All right. Just in case. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Okay. So we just checked into Airbnb. I'm in Montego Bay for a few days. Today included. So we just checked in. I will do a room tour for you guys. Okay, so today we were supposed to go to Mystic Mountain, and we reach, and them say that, well, I never have my ID, 1. to the package where we did one go for. It was for locals only. I need to get my dual citizenship ASAP. That's why I said I know it, because she texted me.
Alright, good.
But yeah, so yeah, we just got into our next Airbnb. This one has a pool. We're excited. There's no he said there's no time cutoffs, no nothing. So we have the pool all night, all morning. However we want. This one is kind of cute, guys.
Yeah, different.
Yeah, we're in Iron Shore. I'm gonna give them a tour properly. Not right now. But properly. But yeah, it's nice. Oh, there's Aki. You mind them chop off your hand? What kind of dance is that? Pier dance? Anyways, guys. A picture with what? You don't see the phone not work properly? The camera not work? Anyways, guys. Yeah, so this is where we're at. We have our own little bar area, girl. We have our own little bar area. And we have the little pool. I'm excited. And I brought my beach ball. I brought my beach ball so we can play. Whoa, boy. Joel, keep it in here. Why are you so nuff? Went to Mystic Mountain. We were supposed to be there for 12:30. We didn't get there for 12:30. We got there at like 3:30. And they were like, it's too late to go anyways. And I didn't have my local ID. I didn't have any ID on me, period. Because when I'm traveling, I don't really bring my passports or any IDs or stuff like that with me. All of that stuff stays at home. So, yeah. So, yeah. Anyways, we were going to come to Montego Bay anyways afterwards. So, we're just here earlier for the little festivity. Not no festivities. I just came to see my side of the family and call it a day. But yeah, this is my cute little fit for today. My influencer shirt, my little jumper. What are you looking for? Yeah. So I'm gonna like relax for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come. Actually, I might just go in the pool and just come back to you guys. Because a girl is hot. It's hot out here. Babe, can you take off my necklace, please? It's itching me. Jeez. Anyways, people, later. I'm gonna chillax for a little bit and then, yeah. So top left. Bye. Make sure you're vlogging. This is your vlog. Because you're not doing anything.
Big driver. All that paper. Oh my bling, watch the road here.
I am watching the road.
Ah, top driver. In our city, welcome to Iron Shore, you know? Montego.
What are we doing?
Go where I go jerkies, babe. I hear it on, you know what?
So jerkies is say?
Yeah, nah. Can we introduce me to it, I get hooked, you know? Oh, I feel it. Tired.
Why feel it? Oh, just like
Watch
what?
exhausted. So the next watch.
So guys, I had to come back. Hey, naughty fly. I had to come back and show y'all my food. This is my pork and my fries, aka chips. And ta-da! Festival! I'm super excited! Yo, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys know jerkies is literally One of my most favorite spots in Montego Bay. Whew. This is life. This is life. Amen. So pepper sauce. Yeah, you guys know what the crazy thing is? When I'm at home, like home in Portmore, Minnesota side, you know, come on Montego Bay, you know. One of them just there. Like, I don't see lizards in the house. Now I'm thinking about it. This is pork. I'm gonna show y'all quickly what babies. Now I'm so excited for this pool. Okay. What? Come what? So why you couldn't eat outside? What am I inside for? Anyways, this is his plate. Because I said I'm eating from outside. You decided to come in here and sit down.
Jerky, isn't it? Boy, jerky. Mommy, that you can.
You can leave it. So yeah, guys. Today is Saturday, which means I have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 6 days left. This is where the depression starts to hit in. I kind of want to go home. I want to go home, but my back's still so sad. Anyways, I'll come back later, okay? When it's more festive.
Do this. Do the life.